Yes, the real estate is important, but at the end, you can be located anywhere in a very cheap place and bring people in. You have a lot of examples of restaurants with a lot of success. But if you think about it, the location is not the location you would think would be working. So the most important is who is managing your restaurant and what kind of experience you give a customer. And the thing, and of course, the real estate is very difficult. And the other part is that a lot of people spend too much money, according to me, on decoration. They want to show off. They want to have a very nice restaurant so that people, when they arrive, the first impression is wow. But at the end, the key of a restaurant is still the food. And especially when you are not a big name like Jean-Georges, like Nicolas Lebec, like Paul Perret, I think the big mistake is to try to go up their level. People didn't come to my restaurant for it being fashionable or having a nice view. I didn't have a nice view. I was not fashionable, but they came for the quality of food, like family, grandma style food and friendship. So my first restaurant, I didn't spend any money on decoration. It was just all handmade. And when I opened the second one, I spent a bit more money, and that's an issue. That's a mistake. Because if you spend too much money, you need much more time to make it profitable. So I will open a new one maybe one day, but I will not spend money on decoration. Just by hand and by heart, you can make something nice, warm, but not costly.
I see.